Yo. This freestyle out the head for real. I'ma go so hard, put your bitch on my backside. Nigga, what you talking about? I grab that fucking Mac side. Boy, you don't want to get me on my bad side. I will run up on you, then I'm gonna catch a homicide. Homicide, homicide. Police, yeah, they on their job. They be outside chalking it up. Chalking niggas, they chalking it up. Yellow tape too, and I yellow tape it through. And then we be coming through. West side, what on you?
First 48, first 48. I'm making brothers land right on 48th Street, where I was raised on. Killing dumb niggas with the Glock 40 on the phone. Yeah, niggas don't play with us, cause we some real niggas, that's why they stay away from us. Yeah. Back away when I got the 40. Protect your soul, boy, when I got this big ass 40.
I'm a beast with it. Getting money, gotta get it. I'm riding around my city and I'm riding around, I'm getting it. Your girl said she loved me, but I never bend it. I bent that bitch shoulder, then yeah, I straight hit it. Left that fucking hoe, she can let her go. She coming back and she asking for more. What more? Bitch, call your hoe. She be going in, I'ma pass it to my bro.
My man's Mike, yeah, we hit that little dumb hoe. Make her go out through the fucking back door. We ain't do it nice, we did her real cruddy. Made her come back for more of them goodies.
Damn, why we do it like that? We don't even know, we just like hitting from the back. She said she just white come back. White girl too. Okay. White girl in a party, yeah, she getting naughty. She sucking her dick like she wanna eat retarded. Why? And I'm going in for all this.
Okay, I got dreams when I was riding in a Maybach. Ferrari. I'm talking hate that, man. Niggas always hating, but they can't get that. I always try and get that. I get that. I get that. I got that paper. I got that. Niggas wanna be like me, but they can't never get that. Man, get it through your motherfucking head. When it's Rudy Ho, you better be in your fucking bed.
He said we riding in a Maybach. Tell your girl lay back. Nasty, get fucking bitch, she rate that. Boy, we ain't rate that. We just take that. I'm like a president and my motherfucking vacant. We be in the chair, no sipping beer. We be smoking loud every day of this year. Pussy nigga get on my motherfucking grid. Cause if you can't hear my verse, boy, you ain't gon' never hear it. The money in my pocket got me feeling like a millionaire. Boy, you keep on talking about the money, boy, you couldn't play. We will kill your whole crew, swaggin' and we going through. Today's Easter Sunday, boy, you keep on dragging through.
West side for life, till the day I die. I hold the dubs up, till the day I die. Man, I'm so west side, might get it tatted. Cause I love my fucking city, west side is bad. Yeah, west side, it's west side. Man, niggas already know that's the best side. They ain't fucking with us. Big blunts of haze, niggas dumb high in the fucking bed.
West side, the best side, all you down the ride. Cause my niggas down the ride, shooting niggas in the eye. Catch a fucking homicide, catch a fucking helicopter. I tell your girl, get the fuck out of here, bye, bitch. Get the fuck out my fucking face before you get 3 hits with that hoe extended clip. I do it for my hood, I do it for them crips, but no, I ain't no crip. I be thugging bricks, I be out here and we be selling bricks.